Hi friends, nice to see you back at Garfin's creation. Let's prepare this mini hamper with some chocolates. For this, we have to prepare the chocolates first. These are roasted almond mini Easter eggs. These are easy and simple to make and can be used as individual Easter eggs or even added to your hampers. To begin with, we will dry roast some almonds. I've just heated a pan and added 100 grams of almonds. I will just dry roast this and keep stirring this occasionally. This will take hardly 5 minutes, and do keep moving them so that they do not get burned. And once these are roasted well, we'll allow them to cool down completely. Next, we need to melt some chocolates. You can take any type of chocolate you have. I have taken this compound today. This is dark compound from Morde company. You can use any brand of dark compound or even chocolate. And for the mini white Easter eggs, I'll be using this white compound. You can use any brand and you can use the original chocolate as well. To get the chocolate melted easily and faster, I'll be just chopping them into smaller pieces. These chocolates are easily available in bakery accessory shops and even online. Next, I'll be using the double boil method to melt this chocolate. I've just taken some water into a pan and kept it on the gas. And then I'll be using a bowl that is large enough to fit into the vessel. And then I'll be adding the chopped chocolates into it. Gradually, as the water starts boiling, the bowl will start heating up and the chocolate will start melting. White chocolate tends to get burned easily, so I've kept it on medium flame. Once the chocolate starts melting, you can stir it and get it out of the flame. The chocolate will continue to melt with the heat of the bowl too. You can prefer and melt the chocolate in the microwave as well. Place the bowl of chocolate into the microwave and keep it for 20 seconds. Get it out, stir it and then place it again if you require. But for melting white chocolate, the double boil method is the safest. This white chocolate is completely melted. I will now transfer this into another bowl and put the dark chocolate into this. Also, do wipe the below of the bowl as it contains vapor. This will ensure that the bowl is nice and dry and that no water droplets fall into the chocolate. I'll be melting the dark chocolate as well in the same way. So now both the chocolates are melted and let's begin with forming the mini Easter eggs. If you prefer, you can also use milk compound here instead of the white and the dark chocolate. I have taken this plastic PVC molds. These mini Easter eggs molds are easily available just before Easter in many of the bakery accessory shops. You may also find them online. So I'll just start by adding little chocolate into the cavity of the mold. I've just filled it half as we need to add the almond and then the chocolate again over it. By now the almonds too are cooled down and at room temperature. Just placing them on the chocolate and pressing a little. In place of almonds, you can use roasted hazelnuts as well. Now I'll just be pouring little more chocolate over the almonds and covering it properly. Once that is done, I will gently tap the mold so that to release any air bubbles and the chocolate fills well into the Easter egg mold. And just wipe away any excess chocolate that is around the cavity. We can continue making all of the Easter eggs in the white chocolate as well. To color the white chocolate, use oil-based colors. This is yellow chocolate color made specially for coloring chocolates. Keep adding the color as per your preference. I'll keep on adding different colors into the same chocolate and keep on making them so that I get different colors of chocolates. You can also divide the white chocolates into 2-3 different bowls and color them individually. I have not used any flavors for this chocolate today. However, you can add any oil-based flavoring into it like almond essence too will do. Next, I'll be adding red chocolate color. Into the same bowl, I'll be adding a few drops of red so that I get different shades. You can experiment with any colors if you want. And if the chocolate starts hardening, you can just reheat it and melt it again. Make sure to use free-flowing chocolate so that you get a smooth, shining finish for the chocolates. To make real chocolate Easter eggs, you can use any real chocolates instead of the compound. If you need to add some fillers into your Easter hamper, these mini Easter eggs are really great options. So now once this tray is full, I'll be placing it in the fridge so that it sets. I'll be keeping them in the fridge for at least 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll continue making the dark chocolate Easter eggs in the same way. Do watch this video till the end as I'll be showing you how to make your small mini hampers with these filler Easter eggs. Besides this mini chocolate Easter eggs, I do have a lot of videos on how to make other Easter eggs as well. This is the Easter themed chocolates as well, and also how to make Marzipan Easter eggs and also how to decorate them. I'll be putting all the links in the description box below, and also you'll find them at the end of this video too. So if you want to make something quick and easy, do try this method of making mini Easter eggs. There are many Easter theme molds available in the market and even online. You can try the same method and make different shapes as well. This tray too will go into the fridge, and after 20 minutes we'll unmold them. So I'm just unmolding these after 20 minutes. Just tap them lightly and they'll come out. If not, just give a small push from the top and it'll come out. So you can see how beautiful these Easter eggs are looking, and they have got a good shine over it as well. To get a good shine for the Easter eggs, make sure that your molds are clean and there are no scratches on it. And also make sure that your chocolate is nicely melted while making them. Any excess around the chocolate can be cut out with a knife. With the help of a knife, I'll just scrape off the excess from the sides. You can wrap these individually or just join two of them by adding a little chocolate in between them so that they stick to each other. This will look like a whole egg. I'll be posting more videos on how to make other Easter eggs as well. If you haven't subscribed to Garfin's Creation, do subscribe so that you don't miss those videos as well. These chocolates are all ready now, and let's wrap them. To wrap these chocolates, I'll be using the chocolate foil wrappers. Get them in plain and printed as well, and they're easily available in shops and online too. I'll be sharing the links for this as well. These come in a pre-cut size, so you can use them right away. Rather than keeping this mini Easter eggs open, it would be better to wrap them. So I've kept the curved portion downwards and the flat portion on top. So just fold the wrapper according to the shape of the egg, and then just press it gently to get the shape of the half Easter eggs. For easy gifting, you can put them into small mini plastic bags. You can also put them in the small cookie bags that are easily available nowadays. These mini chocolate Easter eggs make a great gifting idea. You can just add them into your hamper or just make small pouches and gift it to someone. So I'll continue wrapping all of these in the same way. You can also take two individual halves without adding any chocolate in between them to stick, and place it into the foil and then just wrap it. This way too you can wrap a mini Easter egg. So now I have just finished wrapping all of these and they look so cute. So let's prepare a small hamper with these Easter eggs. This is a small PVC 250 ml box. I've just added some colored shredded papers and placed these chocolates over them. So you can also gift them in this way as well. Just putting some ribbons over it to make it look even more prettier. I hope you like this video, and I've got a little idea on how to prepare these Easter eggs and also how to gift wrap them. Do try them out and let me know your experience in the comments below. You can also start a small home business by making these mini Easter eggs and selling them during Easter. Do watch my other videos as well for more inspiration how to make Easter treats and Easter goodies this Easter. I really appreciate you watching this video till here. Thank you for watching Garfin's Creations video, and do subscribe to Garfin's Creation. Till we meet again in the next video, take care, bye bye.